Greetings, everyone. Okay, so just wanted to reiterate the last video that I'm looking to hit this target here, which is the longest time range. And you can see, you can just question, is it making that progress? So you can tell that it is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Hasn't made a higher yet from here. These are weekly ranges, okay? But you can tell that there's a uptrend direction here, and we just had it was not able to break this line. You can see where it just touched that line actually right there with the candle, an H4 candle. And these lines have not been changed since this time right here, about 21 January, the third week of January. All right, so that's about 5 weeks now, right? So the point is that there is real definite structure in the market. And not only is it real time definite structure, but the structure that it's operating off is also very definite for the past as well. So any structure that it had in the past is now, I'm not a PhD level mathematician, so I'm trying to describe this as good as I can, but any structure it had in the past, the future structure also, whatever structure happens in the future time, will also have be part of that effect. So I'm not sure exactly how to explain it, but this structure represents, these lines represent a structure, the position that the structure was in the third week of January, in late January. And you can tell that just freezing the analysis for that structure at that time for the euro dollar and letting it play out, seeing how the future played out on it, you can tell that it used a lot of that structure at that time as support, as guidance to one of the current positions, which is this longest time range here, longest time range average. This is the weekly and monthly time range averages, which is the longest average that it had of all of these, and you can tell that it's making its way up to there. So essentially, I described in the earlier videos, if you feel you need that information, in the earlier videos, I said that it will go through all of the averages of the time frames from the shortest to the longest, and has already done that for every time frame except the weekly and monthly, the price is currently going to now. And that's what we have here. We had a drop to a support, which is one of those time range averages, one of the shorter time range averages, but it did not go past that, did not go under it. You can see it used it as a support, just ticked the line, and now this continues proceeding up to that longer time range average, to the two longest time range averages. So essentially it will do this throughout the weeks. I said it would take 1 to 2 weeks in the last video. So we're starting this week, and let's see how it goes. When it finally does hit this range, this line, then I'll reset all these lines and I'll show how it is using that again.